Welcome to your last lecture.
Oh my God, congratulations, we're graduating.
The professors chosen by the class of 2018 include Dr. Bob Talich, Dr. Greg Tapis, and Dr. Paul Olsen.
Anything that is worth having is worth struggling for. And so I am asking you to struggle, to work hard, to bring morning to this world, to bring morning to your life. Even though I've done this a few times, I've never taken it for granted. Getting an award from the students is the best kind of award you can get. It's neat. It's neat to congratulate them. It's neat to say goodbye. It's neat for me to reflect on. It's the culmination of a hell of a good career and something I'd do over in a heartbeat.
Your daily acts as an Augustana alum will teach more people and provide more lessons and save more lives than any words spoken within these buildings, beautiful as they may be.
I think at Augustana it's the highest teaching award a professor can receive because this is chosen directly from the students. I think it's wonderful because we get a chance to see them progress off into their careers. We watch them when they've entered as freshmen, now grow through seniors, and we get to see them enter the workforce, which is what we've been training them for.
Think back of some of your memories. You survived the worst and you cherished the best, and you will for a lifetime. The Chinese have a saying, you can't unring a bell. What matters is how we live after the bell is rung. Do we live with grace and humor and love? Or do we seek answers? Do we seek certainty? Do we seek clarity? Do we seek, as the New Testament says, bread alone? The bell is rung. Be kind. Love. Thank you for this great honor. This is bestowed on us by students who have been with us, 3 times a week for 11 weeks, some of them for 4 courses. It's not a finale as much as it is, again, a celebration of the whole journey, and I keep looking back on it and at it right now as well and say, whew, I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Congratulations, class of 2018, for your incredible achievements. Hear, hear.
Being here for the 4 years, it's been a blessing. I've been able to be a leader. I've been able to get into the programs I wanted to for after graduation. So it's just a blessing for me to be here.
Every faculty member that was up there speaking they meant it, and they were very passionate, and they really cared for us, and it was heartwarming. It really was.
I love Augustana, seriously, 4 years. I love this school. It's amazing to hear all these great stories and hear professors that have been here for so many years talk about how much students have encouraged them to be here every single day, and I've loved that I've been a part of that.
It was a really special moment because it was almost like a culmination of when we first got here as freshmen, we were all together, and now we're all together as seniors. And so it was a nice way to send us off.